As men, we're told we're strong, resilient, able to handle anything. But what happens when the pressure gets overwhelming? When stress and anxiety start to weigh us down? Mental health is just as vital as physical health. It is okay not to be okay. You don't have to carry it alone. Let's break the silence. Talk openly, support each other, and seek help when we need help. Real strength is knowing when to ask for help. Man up to mental health. Reach out and call the Ministry of Health and Wellness helpline at 888 New Life. That's 888 639 5433. You are not alone. Help is available.
Oh, this will be a revelation.